Independence on the 12th of December 1963. 6 decades ago, our great nation was formally admitted into Commonwealth as a republic, marking the genesis of Jamhuri Day, also known as Independence Day, a pivotal national celebration in Kenya. This day resonates deeply with every proud Kenyan, invoking reflections on the relentless journey towards freedom. As we convene here at Kinoru Stadium to mark Jamhuri Day celebrations, we pay homage to our forefathers who fearlessly defended and championed our cause of freedom. Today we take pride in the remarkable achievement and significant progress born out of the consistent efforts of our county. Ladies and gentlemen, in the public service delivery sector that is in Meru County, I am pleased to highlight the significant achievement of my administration. Our county is more orderly. We have continued to maintain law and order in our major towns by reducing our unauthorized passenger pickups and drop-offs, obstruction and unlawful hawking. Tenda kuga batu thirikari Meru County Mungu natutethetie muno na itumbite kuleta onda ndene ya tauni yetu na tuomba kuleta mubango cyo mwega kiri tauni ira itwire itina mubango kakwenda kuga na njira ya ukwema ntoja makai cyera thirikari yetu yumbite kuthithia. In economic planning, we have a major increase in FIF collections as a result of going cashless in payment for level 5, 4 and 3 hospitals. Meru County Revenue Board has gone cashless in all its operations. You can access the USSD menu by dialing *412#. My administration will work towards ensuring every coin of Meru County is accounted for. We urge the Meru County residents to continue supporting our efforts by paying their fees, which includes market and parking fees, sales and any other associated services. By all accounts, this is revolutionary. Thirikari yetu ya Meru County keba mami betu ba Maumau na ntu betu ba Meru itombeta gweta digital kana cashless. Tutego tumera mbesha bali tukamatite kaire ituraumere au tweta digital kuga digital ikugatia into beyond the video gwiri kore ya thirikari yetu urerea na thimo na njira yeu tumbete kana tukomba kunia mawamba jama ingi sana tuambererie na sibitari cietu level 3 level 4 na level 5 na kinyamathoko nezetu na gitu kionde kira umba gwitwa kurera thirikari ici kinyana ale thoko ni ukiendagia marigo twijite kugwira itujukitie atua inene ituratigire gukamata mbesha kaire tunengera afisa wa Meru County turauge itu kaire mbesha thimone kenda mbesha cietu itekaurire miukone ya antu bakai twaga mbesha cia maendeleo twaga mbesha cia ndoje twaga mbesha cia teria Maumau twaga mbesha midhemba. Kwa hivyo kama Meru County tumeenda pure digital, hakuna kupeana pesa tena. Na ukipata mtu ambaye unapatia pesa either amevaa kabuti ya yellow, ya green, ya purple, ya white, anakuitisha pesa, huyo ni mkora, peleka haraka kwa polisi na huyo ni mwizi. In natural resources development, water and irrigation, my administration recognizes the need to liberate our agricultural production from dependence on rainfall patterns and the vulnerability to drought and effects of climate change. We have undertaken significant steps in water and irrigation to ensure food production throughout the year. We have completed the construction of 3 dams by Segeria in Kiberesia Ward, Imenti North, Raria in Mudhara Ward, Tigania region, and Engado in Antamboi Ward, Egembe region. These dams will increase our food production through irrigation. Batu tore thirikari ya Meru County itombete kujukia atua inene muno mantu nejegie roje na urimi kana ngirigasha itombete kuthithia ndamu ithatu inene itathithwa Meru kaire ndamu iretwa Baisegeria iri ndene Kiberesia damu enge iretwa Ngatho Dam na niyo nene muno iri ndene Gembe na twina damu enge nene muno iri ndene atigania gwetwa Raria Dam na damu ici tukiaragia aje iciojo roje na mbure gakerera au damu ikathiria miaka iri ciena roje kwa ni atua nene muno nontu rojo rugatuma turime bwega rojo rugatuma ndithia cietu iria iretamburaga gucwa roje ciethwe cie na rojo ruria akue muno. The government of Meru have drilled 34 boreholes in various parts of Meru County. The department has also carried out repairs of more than several broken down boreholes in this financial year. All drilled boreholes will be equipped. We have issued over 25,000 pipes in various sizes to various community water projects. 623 pipes will be issued in due course, benefiting 219 water project groups and institutions. To combat the effect of climate change, we have commenced our plan to plant over 400,000 tree seedlings, which fruit trees being planted in public schools and churches. We have also planted indigenous trees in Biankore, in Imenti Central, Reboi, Bori East, Kaune, Tigania East, Tamani, Mutwati Sabu County, Wavine, Igembe Central, na other places. Toriuga thirikari yetu ya Meru County itombete mwaka juju tujuathira uthithia atua nene muno ya kwenja ithima 34 na ithima bibi 34 tuenjete mwaka juju tujua thirikari itwekete mbesha na itutengete mbesha cia gwakira ithima biu biothe na gwikira matangi na gwikira pipe kenda tubeto bomba kunywa roje itombete kweja na pipe nkorokie 25,000 ngiri 25 kire anto mwanya na igundi mwanya kire mwaka juju thirete na kinya kire mwaka juju tugeta na mbere kweja na pipe nyingi kire groups na arimi beto baraba batarete pipe cia ndoje kenda ndoje cikinyanja ciao. My administration launched school meals administration program which will benefit 60,000 ECDE learners in 777 public centers or schools in the entire county. This program aims to increase enrollment, retention, and better nutrition among our young learners. In addition to the school meals, our nutrition program, my administration has issued 26,750 ECDE books to all 777 ECDE centers across the county in an effort to ensure every child has access to quality education and equal opportunities for a better future. My administration introduced a transparent process of awarding school bursaries in all our wards. We have so far disbursed bursaries amounting to 136 million, which have benefited more than 52,000 students in Meru County. This underscores our dedication to providing equal educational opportunities. Thirikari yetu ya Meru County kire maskuru jara tuena joja tuana tutunini twa nasare itoejene mauku ngiri 750 kiri skuru cietu cia nasare na twacoka twaejana kiriana baba nontoniana ngiri 60 na dikana skuru cietu cia ciothe county menyaira class kire kia ECD ila sibinge national government batyo tore county kire skuru ciothe itombete kunenganira mauku jau kenda na betu bomba kuthoma na twacoka twathithio ntubungi bwa gitumi mono twaejana mwaka jwathira basare cia 136 million na wandi ekiona milioni ithatu na inya mwaka jojo itotengete 136 million milioni egana na 36 kenda ana betu bayo wa basare owandi na itoshokete twajukia atua enge nene mono ki maskuru jetu twena feeding program ya kuatwa na twetu twanasare oshoro na itonenkanirete mbesha kwi maskuru chonze tiga constituency mwake na yekanenkerwa ija kuga kwa mbele ya Januari, kutoka Januari watoto wetu wa nursery ama wa ECD classes watakuwa wakipewa uji katika shule zao for free courtesy of County Government of Meru, na tumepeana hiyo pesa iko kwa institutions ama shule zetu. Through collaboration with esteemed partners like World Bank, Japanese Social Development Fund, and Community Road Empowerment, we have made strides in road development and the improved livelihood opportunities and accessibility for communities project in Meru. That is Majengo and Getembene. This project has generated jobs for several youth in Meru County. In order to keep our towns clean, we purchased and commissioned a new tractor for garbage collection in the municipality. Batu kukulukira ashore betu kana partners betu baome shaba Japan na ba World Bank itombete gutetheria na betu baba ingi bariaja baruterwa Majengo na Getembene twae wa mbesha ni ashore betu twathithia barabara cietu cia na Uslams na betu baba ingi muno ibethetwo baandiki na ibaitete ngugi na bakona mbesha na itombete guciumia muno turi thirikari matunejo theru twagura maragita ja kuoja mate na kinya thigongo eje tugekera mukazo sana ote no guketho kwina mate kenda geni betu bakija na kinya tutukira thigongo turia guntu guku theru. Bongwa, esteemed guests, I am delighted that the long-awaited rains have finally graced us. Our resilient farmers in Meru County are ready to contribute significantly to the nation's food supply with a promising bumper harvest. To ensure the success of this endeavor, we are strategically employing affordable fertilizers and certified seeds. 9 stores have been identified to farmers to access fertilizers within their locality. We have issued the following: avocado more than 48,000, certified seeds more than 52,000, na batu turi Meru turiuga fertilizer kuragira kuraja Meru County ni suite kuntu kenda ndene county ana tukajuka iria fertilizer yetu akue kwa una tutekera fertilizer kuraja kaire tukajuka iria akue na thirikari yetu ni upita gutetheria muno wandici yetu na mbeu cia avocado na mbeu cia mpembe kirentura mwanya kwenda gwitanga rwero kenda tuka gwita. In order to foster economic independence, my administration has introduced One Cow, One Needy Family program to empower vulnerable families, offering them a chance to improve their quality life. Thirikari yetu ina mubango jokwa mkia kana tubaba tina inya ng'ombe na ituambirite project yeu na kiri manifesto yetu kana kiri yukuri yetu yetu araunchirera ngugiria tukwenda kuthithia tugere mwathani atuteria tukomba kunenkera nkia nkurukie 5,000 ng'ombe yeria kenda tumba gukira turi tuithe turi amwe na mubango ju tuenderete na ju thara nayo no gubogashwa batu turi Meru County turireta ng'ombe na gubogashwa thara kenda kuga rutererwa infrastructure kana rutererwa gwaka itwetete na mbere kuthithia barabara cietu na tuko ya rojo itoko lounge MTF kana rwangirwa kithirikari kura rukomba gututhithiria barabara ndene ya Meru County. So far in the last year, financial year, itombete ku successfully completed the impressive 683 kilometers of roads ila tuthithitie last financial year. Now, 277 was done by flagship project, that is from the governor. Now, 406 by World Road Project. This year, through Mechanical Trust Fund, kana antubadilika barabara yetu zidi na barabara tuko ya rojo tukera unsha tuko nene itoko anticipate kana itoko eregera kutengeneza barabara nyingi kuliko ya mwaka jana, kwa sababu tunauzisha serikali kwa serikali, na kwa serikali hakuna tax, serikali kwa serikali hakuna boiling, serikali kwa serikali hakuna wizi, serikali kwa serikali. Kama tungetengeneza barabara moja na mkandarasi, kwa serikali tutatengeneza barabara 3. Kwa hivyo kesho tuna launch huo mradi pale Tuskys na ninaomba wote mkaribie. Asante sana. Tumeweza kuangaza Meru County kupitia taa zetu ambazo tumeweka. We have installed a total of 612 floodlights across the county and we paid all related electricity bills. 78 of these floodlights have just been newly installed. By the close of the last financial year, my government had installed 78 new floodlights, maintained 501 earlier existing floodlights, and brought a brand new high mast truck and crane to reach height of 18 meters to make necessary repairs of the light mast. Currently, I am proud to report the total operational floodlights in the county stand at 498, representing impressive 86% of the total floodlights. This accomplishment underscores our commitment to enhancement, public safety, and fostering vibrant communities through well-lit spaces. Kenya Power kenda tumba kugwatia miru yetu yonze ithirwe tharite bwega oyitujukite kanya kaunti thirikari kurinda ngugeu na kwina mataja nginya
Meru inanga